So we are completed scripting. Today I will record one script and we can do for the all scripting enhancements. And that script we can push into the controller. Okay. So now I'm creating from the new script. Okay. Everyone able to see, right? So for here we are doing for the web protocol. Okay. And script name. For example, I'm doing for the Play Store. After that, click on create button. Okay. So for here, we need to click on record button, and before that we need to verify the recording options. Okay, and the recording. Okay, HTML. Okay, script content explicit URL. Okay, that's fine. And protocol and advanced. For here, we need to check from the this generate web breakpoint functions for the page titles for the you need to keep up that is the definitely. Okay, so because we want to validate means every time we need to write from the go to that page and we need to give from the text that will be it will take time. So that is why when you are recording the script, you should be enable this. Okay, and mapping and filter. Okay, this is fine. So you need to check these all things and click on OK. And after that, so I already select a browser and URL. This is the Play Store application. Just click on start record button. So browser automatically open and events are increasing. See, launch is completed. So we need to give from the transaction names also. Okay, and give for the properties. Okay, otherwise you want to give from the this login page as a web breakpoint, we can give from the here also we have the like we can create from the comment also we can create, and this is the transaction, this is the create new action. Okay, you can take from the like with like you want to create any new action, you can create from the new action, like it is a launch login or reaction part, you can give that. Okay, so now we need to give for the transaction name is a okay login. Okay, I'm not give I can I give proper. Okay, this is the pay store underscore pet booking underscore login, and this is the transaction what T02, and click on OK and click on sign in, and you need to give from the username password. Click on login. So login is completed. You should end the transaction. This one. Okay. And next transaction, selecting from the product. Select pet. Okay. Underscore. And this is the transaction 0. 03, sorry, 03, and paste store application. Okay, in that pet booking. Okay, and click on OK. Then you can select for the any one of the pet. And this is the transaction is completed, and it is transaction. Next, what we need to select from the product type ID. Okay, select product ID. Can select any one of the product ID. And after this completed, close this and give the again transaction name. What is the transaction? Add to cart. You can add to cart. Next will be proceed to checkout. Okay, end this transaction. And again, you can do this. What is the transaction? Proceed to checkout. You can proceed to checkout. And enter all details. Okay, that is also one transaction. Can give from the transaction name. Click on continue. After enter the details, click on continue. So transaction 07 or so. And you can enter all details, and after that click on continue. And we need to confirm. That is also one separate transaction. You need to give for the transaction name. Click on transaction 09 and click on confirm. See, your ticket like pet is booked successfully, and after that end this transaction, and final transaction what? Sign out. Sign out transaction, so detail. So this and sign out. Now your recording is completed. Stop the recording, and before stop this, you need to end this transaction and stop it. So real time also we can do for the any application. We can do for the same way you need to do. See, it is a recording, right? You can observe. So actually act perf is our domain. If it is there in a Google or anything, you can remove that and regenerate. Now only it is generated only hours only. That's fine. Then now you need to go to the action part, and we are given from the all details. Okay, and here it is right, means this before this only it is end from the end transaction is a launch. Launch URL or launch application transaction 01. And you need to give for the same name as a start transaction also. Come to here, and you need to provide them the transaction name. Okay, now everything is done. Now we need to do from the scripting enhancements. Okay, up to sign out is recorded, so everything is good. Then we need to start for the scripting enhancements. So first one I'm doing for the correlation. Okay, so which values we need to do means we need to record the same script and twice with a different type of test data, and we need to compare. Once we can compare, you need to identify the like what are the difference values you need to identify. Like in this script, right? So some J section ID means section ID or token ID. It is this kind of things also we can consider as a okay, it is a dynamic value. Okay, when you are doing for the scripting again and again, you know that, okay, which value we need to do for this. Means J section ID you need to do. And apart from that, you need to observe some source page also value will be there. This value we are not entering anywhere. So it is coming from the server side. FP value also we are not entered anywhere. So this is also we need to handle. And apart from this, we can come to the like this category ID fish. Like in the categories, we have different categories we have. So means we can do for the fish also. If you want, means we can do for the correlation also you can do. Okay, and product ID also. You have the in the fishes, you have different product IDs. So means these all also you have the many right. So each user to user also the product ID it will change, right? You can do for the correlation. These are application side. Okay, and come to the next, and this all will be same like item ID, product ID, same thing. It is repeating, and you can observe any other thing apart from this. So these all details you can observe: visa, card type, expiry date. So these all we are entered. So means we need to do for the parameterization. And again source space. So this source space value and this source same or not you can observe, because if it is different you need to do from the source space underscore one correlation, and FP also you can do for the different one. Okay, now we are identified this all values. Now you can start from the correlation. So you can just select from the this value. Okay, up to this is the dynamic value. You can copy this and click on control control H. Okay, control F, control F. Okay, you can this and click on snapshot and find all. I think we are not replied. We need to reply one time is good. Okay, whatever maybe, no problem. We need to take from the what? Recorded response. So you need to click from the here. This is the request. So we need to take from the recorded response. So here you can double click it. It will assist you function you need to write from the above this. Okay. And same to the your dynamic value also left boundary, right boundary point of view. You need to take from the this. Up to this you can take. Okay, and control C. Now where it is showed in this above it is shown. So we need to write from the above of the transaction, because it is so this is the dynamic value. So now you need to write from the function. So which function you can convert, you can write web breaks param. Okay, and parameter name LB comma RB comma last. Okay, and you can give semicolon and the name. Which value we are doing? J section ID, right? You can give from the J section ID underscore CO or R. And LB is equal to, and RB equal to. So I will taking from the up to this is the LB, and this is the RB. Okay, and sorry, this is the RB. We can take from the just colon. Okay,
We need to take from the code generated, not right there.
yeah, I told right. We have the multiple ways. This is the one way. Okay. Which way you can comfort, you can do that way. Okay. Okay. Now correlation is completed. You need to replace from the in this value place. You need to replace with the this value. So you can control H. Okay. And you need to replace with the this is the right. You can give this and control V. And we need to give from the open curly brace and close curly brace. Substitution. Now click on here and find next. So you are identified this replace. Again, it is one more replace. So I think we don't have anything. Okay. We don't have, no. Okay. Then correlation is completed. One is the completed. And after that, same way you need to do from the what? This FP also we can do. Like source page also you can do. So you can take this Control C and Control F and Control V and snapshot and find all and come here raw data and response body. You can click on here. So it will show it from the in this above only. Okay. Okay. And you can observe from the boundaries also here. It is highlighted, right? Again, we can click it. Don't worry. Yeah. So you need to take from the up to this onwards. You can take from the name onwards also fine. Can take from this up to this. And you need to take from the where is the your dynamic value ending. So it is our dynamic value ending from here. Take Control C and it function also it is showed from the in this web URL sign in above and it is showed means you need to write from the in this sign in above. So here you need to in this above we need to give from the web underscore reg underscore save underscore forum. Okay. And after that parameter name LB RB and last and colon and something is wrong web break say param. Yeah, some double colon web underscore reg say param PRM. Okay. Anything miss? Yeah. So this is the source page, right? You can view from the parameter name source page underscore CORR. And already you have the right boundaries. You can copy here and keep it here. And now LB is equal and RB equal. So LB nothing but this is the up to this is the LB. And you can take from the RB also. Just a double colon is fine. So there is the double colon. We need to give from the black slash. And here also double can give. In the page you have can give. And is before name also you have can give. Now everything is done right. Your script passing also you can observe pass or fail. Okay, it's succeeded. Now final what we can do? We need to replace with the substitution. Control H and what is the parameter name? You can copy this. Control V and close this. And you can start from here. Okay, file next. Replace. File next. So only one time. Start. So this is the way we need to do from the correlation from the next value also you can do for the same way. Okay. So somewhat fast point of view. Now I am doing autocorrelation. Okay, don't do autocorrelation. So we don't have much time, right? Just I will do from the now entire script point of view, I'm doing from the auto correlation also. Okay. And you can select a boundary base. Okay. And everything is okay. P-value and double colon. Okay, fine. And this is fine. And correlate. So correlation that is also completed. And come to the next transaction. We have any other things you can check. And okay, fish. Okay, again correlate selection. Okay, so I don't have time, so that is why I'm doing. Don't think. Okay, only this way we can do. Okay, you can observe this is the fish is the our, so boundaries you need to take care from this category ID. Okay, is equal, and after that this double colon MGC SRC it is picked. Okay, and if you don't want only up to this also fine, like we need from the just double colon also it's fine. Okay, and just click on apply. If you change it here you can apply, and after that click on correlate button. So it's done, and you can go to the next. So category ID also done, and come down, category ID completed, and product ID also you want to, you can select this correlate selection. So regular expression also fine. Now we are taking this, and but you need to understand this. Okay, product I is equal, and after that just double colon is fine. Okay, so click on correlate. Now still we have anything, you can observe category ID, and again you have the item ID also will be there, working item ID. You need to do for this also. Okay, so you need to clearly you need to understand that what is the exactly boundaries we are giving. So this will be no need. And after 3, we have only double colon, just apply and correlate button. Real time will be, they will not accept. Okay, you should do our major work already I told, right? Day 1 onwards, and what I'm told, our major work will be this is only. So after that we can do we have this is also dynamic value. Okay, so this the value is equal to, after that double colon this taken. So we need from this is also somewhat, because value is equal to will be more also will be there, right? So that is why what we can do means up to 5 we can take. We can after that click on correlate. So still all done. Okay, we have one more FP value, right? We can handle this also. Name FP. Okay, this will pick good. Okay, then fine. Click on correlate button. And after this, we have any other things? Almost we done the correlation. So just will execute. Maybe it is pass or fail. We don't know, right? We can just execute from the one time. And logs. That's the for a substitution. Okay. See, it is failed somewhere. No match found the boundaries. Which one? Correlation parameter, one parameter, right?
39 line, 39 line RB. RB not close.
39.
Yeah.
No. It is failing here, right?
Okay. Right boundary also we have not given. Okay.
No, it is failed here, right? Okay, here anything name happy value is fine. And this is the ordinal scheme, right? Okay. We'll give ordinal call, and regular direction will give S, and this is the body only, and we'll check boundaries. Okay, what is the last double is equal to after? Okay, just colon only we have, right? Single colon we have. Where is that single colon? Why it is came this? Let me try. Not sure. Declared, identified, lost, missing syntax. Okay, double colon I miss, right? Okay, sorry. Okay, then fine. Still it is failed up. Which same one or different one? Boundaries will be maybe mismatch. So this is the problem autocorrelation. Actually, if you do for the manual correlation, right, your script will be passed. But if you do for the autocorrelation, this kind of situation will face. That is why, yeah, yes, that is why no one will be accept from this autocorrelation.
Okay.
So what we can do is we can undo this. We can try manual this. I think this is only right. FPR. What is that? Parameter name FT underscore one. Okay, this one, right? We'll check once clearly boundaries and not will do that. But why we changed correlation parameter? Actually, that is FE is failed, right? Okay, we are changing FE on correlation parameterization also it's failing. Okay, this is also failed, right? Two are failing, huh? Go here. Okay, FE is fine. Correlation parameter is going. We'll try again. Yeah, so now script is pass. So will most be done all values correlation and we are completed that one, right? If you want to see the runtime data also, we can see here. And what values you did correlation, all will be displayed here. J section ID, category ID, source space core, and FP product ID, and work item ID, correlation parameter, nothing but this is also source one only. Okay, FP underscore this. So now all values will be done. Then correlation is completed. Then you can concentrate from the parameterization. So majorly we can do from the username password, right? Replace parameter and create new parameter and give from the user underscore param. Okay, properties and click on create table and click on OK. And by name, you need to select from the username. Okay, so everyone available. Okay. Babu, you are following, right? I'm explaining end to end today. Babu, you are following. So if you want to
Sir?
replace, okay. You are following, right? I'm explaining from the entire concept. So now we can do from the password underscore param properties and create table and click on OK. Sorry, we are created, right? Okay, no worry. Then select okay user param and add column and adding this and by name we need to select from the what? Password param. And here we need to select from the same line as user param and click on close. Click on OK and no. And we have any data, valid data anyone created for this? Okay. So what we can do is same user only will give from the multiple times and we can try. Minimum we can give from the just our execution point of view. I'm giving for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So last line also important. After that, you need to click from the down arrow. Don't go to the that line. Okay, can come to the just here. Okay, there is no space after this. Okay, and after that, close this and save this. So parameterization also completed. Then you need to do from the any other parameters also. Okay. So you have the card type. You want a visa only, you can keep it. So this data you can change, not change also, no problem, because that is the username password will be, we must do from the different username password.